Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. If you're looking to block distracting websites on Google Chrome, I've got you covered in less than 2 minutes. But real quick, have you ever tried blocking websites before? Just let me know in the comments below. Alright, first things first. We need an extension to block websites. Head over to the Google Chrome Web Store. Just type chrome.google.com/webstore in the address bar. Got it now. Let's search for a website blocker. I'm going to search for a block site, but you can pick whichever you like. Found it, great. Let's move on. Click Add to Chrome, then hit Add Extension on the pop-up. And voila, it's installed in seconds. Let me know if you're there, I'll wait. Now click on the block site icon up here to open the settings. From here, you can start blocking websites. Click Add Website, type in the URL of the site that you want to block, and boom, you're done. Easy, right? You can even set a schedule to block websites during certain hours if you want to stay focused. Let's test it out. I'm typing in the block website and nope, it won't load. Success. So there you go. That's how you block distracting websites on Google Chrome. How's it working for you? What websites are you blocking first? Drop them in the comments and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more awesome tips. Catch you in the next video.